Gen Z is on track to be the first generation in modern history to be poorer than their parents. And I'm not talking about a small dip. I'm talking about a complete economic reversal. If you are between 12 and 27 right now, this video is about your financial future. And trust me, you need to see this. Before we dive in, let me give you some context. Every generation faces challenges, right? Boomers had the Cold War and economic uncertainty. Gen X dealt with recessions. Millennials got hit by the 2008 financial crisis and student debt. But Gen Z, we are inheriting all of those problems, plus some brand new ones that are uniquely brutal. I'm talking about housing prices that have literally tripled while wages barely moved, student debt that follows you to the grave, an entry-level job market that's being taken over by AI and automation, inflation eating whatever savings we manage to scrap together, and a gig economy that promises flexibility but offers zero security, no pension, no benefits, nothing. So let's break down exactly why Gen Z is economically screwed and what we can actually do about it. Let's start with the biggest wealth killer, housing. In 1980, the average home cost about 3 times the median household income. That's $64,000 for a house when people are making $21,000 a year. Today, a house costs 5.6 times the median income. We're talking about $417,000 when the median household makes $74,000. The math just doesn't work anymore. Look at this graph. Home prices are going up like a rocket, while wages are crawling like a snail. And the gap? It keeps getting wider. Our parents bought starter homes in their 20s. Gen Z, we are living with roommates into our 30s or moving back with parents. The rent isn't much better. In San Francisco, you need to make $120,000 a year just to afford a 1-bedroom apartment. New York, $100,000. Even Austin, Texas needs $75,000. Meanwhile, the median US income is only $74,000. Next up, education. And this one is insane. College tuition has increased 1,200% since 1980. Let me say that again, 1,200%. Meanwhile, wages, they've gone up about 67% only. The math doesn't math. Like literally, look at this comparison. That's not a typo. That's the reality Gen Z is facing. Gen Z is graduating with an average of $30,000 to $40,000 in student debt. And that's if you went to a public university. Private schools, you're looking at $70,000 plus. And here is really what makes it brutal. Student loans are nearly impossible to discharge in bankruptcy. You can't escape them. Medical debt, gone in bankruptcy. Credit card debt, gone. Student loans, they follow you to the grave. So, you are starting your adult life tens of thousands in the hole, making monthly payments that could have been going towards a house down payment, retirement savings, or starting a business, literally anything else. And for what? An entry-level job that pays $45,000 if you're lucky and requires 5 years of experience you don't have yet. Funny. Speaking of jobs, let's talk about the absolute nightmare. That is the Gen Z job market. You need a bachelor's degree for jobs that did not require high school diplomas 30 years ago. Entry-level positions want 3 to 5 years of experience. How are you supposed to get experience if every job requires experience you can't get without a job? It's insane. And internships, which used to be learning opportunities, are now unpaid full-time jobs that you need just to be competitive. And even when you land that job, you're competing against AI and automation. ChatGPT can write code. AI can design graphics. Robots are replacing factory workers. Self-checkout is replacing cashiers. McKinsey estimates that automation could displace up to 800 million jobs globally by 2030. And guess which generation is entering the workforce right now? That's right, Gen Z. So, What's the solution they offer us? The gig economy. Drive for Uber, deliver for DoorDash, freelance on Fiverr or Upwork. But here is what they don't tell you. The gig economy offers zero security. No health insurance, no paid time off, no 400,000, and definitely no pension. Our grandparents worked one job for 30 years and retired with a pension. Gen Z is working 3 gigs simultaneously and still can't afford rent. The average Gen Z worker will have 12 to 15 different jobs in their lifetime, constantly starting over, constantly proving themselves, never building that long-term security. Let's not forget about everything else that's gotten absurdly expensive. Healthcare. If you're not on a parent's insurance until 26, good luck affording your own. One emergency room visit can cost thousands. A simple ambulance ride, $2,000 plus. Childcare. It costs more than college tuition in most states. The average cost is $15,000 to $20,000 per year per child. Having kids is literally becoming a luxury purchase. Food? Look at this. The same basket of groceries that cost $100 in 2019 costs $150 today. There's 50% increase in just 5 years. Eggs up 50%. Chicken up 50%. Everything is more expensive. And all of this is happening while wages have kept barely with inflation. We are earning roughly the same amount our parents did at our age. Okay, so is it all doom and gloom? Are we just screwed? Not necessarily. Because here is what a lot of those Gen Z is broke headlines miss. We are adapting differently. Gen Z is more entrepreneurial. We are building side hustles, freelancing, creating digital businesses at rates previous generations never did. We are more financially literate. We are learning about investing, crypto, index funds, and personal finance through YouTube and TikTok, often before we even finish college. We are less materialistic. We value experiences over things, which means we are not dropping $50,000 on brand new cars like our parents did. We are more flexible. We are willing to move opportunities, work remotely, and create non-traditional career paths. And we are demanding change. Gen Z is pushing for student loan forgiveness, higher wages, affordable housing policies, and workplace rights. We are not just accepting this broken system. We are fighting to fix it. So, here's the bottom line. Yes, by traditional metrics, Gen Z is on track to be the brokest generation. We are facing economic headwinds that no generation has faced in quite this combination before. The game is rigged, and pretending it's not doesn't help anyone. But broke doesn't necessarily mean hopeless. Here is what we need to do. 1. Educate ourselves financially. Learn about investing, budgeting, and building multiple income streams early. You don't need a finance degree. You just need curiosity and consistency. 2. Be strategic about debt. Not all education requires 6 figures of loans. Trade schools, community colleges, coding bootcamps, and online learning can just be as valuable, sometimes more, than traditional 4 years degrees. 3. Think differently about wealth. Maybe we don't get the white picket fence at 25, but you can build wealth through smart investments, side businesses, and strategic financial decisions. The path looks different, but the destination is the same. 4. Vote and advocate for policy changes, student loan reform, affordable housing initiatives, higher minimum wages, universal healthcare. These things matter, and they won't happen unless we make noise. And 5, which is very important, support each other. Share financial knowledge, help each other find opportunities, and stop pretending we are all doing fine when we are not. Vulnerability is strength, not weakness. We might be the brokest generation on paper, but you can also be the smartest, most resourceful, and the most innovative. We did not choose this economy, but you can choose how we navigate it. What do you think? Are you feeling the financial squeeze, or are you finding ways to thrive? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear your story. And If this video helped you understand the bigger picture, like and smash that subscribe button, because I'll be making